Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you how to adjust speed by Accelerator for cruise control. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next enter ADAS. Switch this button to enable this function. Adjust cruise control speed by Accelerator is convenient, comfort-oriented ADAS feature. Drivers can temporarily increase cruise speed by pressing the accelerator pedal. Upon release, if the real-time speed exceeds the preset cruise speed, the system updates the cruise speed to match the higher value, up to 80 km per hour. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.